Hi, I'm David Joseph. I'm a solution DevOps engineer at Skyline Communication. And here at IBC we show our solution DataMiner, which can orchestrate cloud productions with GVAMP and RTS intercom. So as you can see here, we have operators which can use a low-code app in DataMiner, which gives them a easy-to-use interface to actually orchestrate a full production in GVAMP, as well as an RTS intercom system running on an EC2 instance. DataMiner will make sure that once an event is planned and started, it will spin up automatically all of these resources, will configure them, and more importantly, at the end, it will shut them down, making sure we're no longer using any of those resources. More importantly as well, DataMiner can give you insights on total usage of your resource pools, as well as the cost for those resources. So let's show that in a demo. This is our low-code app, from where an operator can actually plan a certain event and book the necessary resources for it. Here, for example, I've scheduled a event with some resources assigned. So at the bottom you see all of the resources that we booked for an upcoming event, being a number of RTS resources, some human resources, as well as GVAMP resources like a multi-viewer, a clip layer, and so on. Once I start the event, you will actually see that it will spin up the full environment. So DataMiner knows all of the resources that are being used, so it will spin up the EC2 instance, and then it will start all of the workloads on GVAMP and configure them. Once the environment is started, the operator has easy access to each of those environments directly from the app. As you can see here, we have links to the GV dashboard as well as to the intercom system. So here, for example, you see all of the resources that DataMiner started up, as well as the automatic linking to the inputs of the master control from the selected live input and the clip layers. An operator can then go into the master control view, where they can start doing their full production. The right side you see the flow monitor with the inputs already connected, and they can start the production, switching between program and preview, doing graphics and so on. In the meantime, you see that the RTS instance has started up and has been configured with the necessary resources, so a party line and a other user that we can talk to over the intercom system. Once the event is done, we can make sure that we shut down the full environment. So now we gave the instruction as an operator to stop the event, and we will see here that all of the resources will be stopped, so the EC2 and all of the workloads, making sure that we are no longer spending costs on any of these resources once the production has ended. Next to that, we can have an overview of all costs related to that production. So here we see a total cost of the full production, and then more details on each of the resources that we use during that specific production job. All of these costs can be managed within DataMiner per resource or resource pool, and can be integrated with the APIs like the billing API of GVAMP or an AWS API. If you want to know more, please visit our website www.skyline.be. Thank you.